Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's your boy, the one and only Jay Stein, coming at you with the morning edition, pre-market, coffee in a pint glass edition of this, what is it? Is it Thursday? Yeah, it's Thursday. Anyways, March 25th. So, seemingly, really doesn't seem like a lot going on, although there is. So let's just jump right into it. First off, we have a bunch of different index reports coming out. Our GDP for the fourth quarter is coming out. I'm really curious to see how they're going to try to spin this one. The initial jobless claims, that's another very important one. I'm very interested to see how they spin that one. I hope it's under 700,000. If it can start going that direction, that'll make me start feeling a lot better, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Continuing claims, and then natural gas inventories. So we'll see. It's obviously the GDP and then the unemployment are what I am generally concerned about. Heads up, SKLZ skills. If you own it, watch out. Not only has it been dropping down precipitously, it recently just had a bunch of inside sellers off of the C-suite. They've sold off quite a bit of their shares the other day. So yeah, that's their C-suite. So if they're selling their stuff, I'm not telling you, hey, do this or do that. I'm just letting you know, if you own that stock, heads up, they're selling theirs. Okay, next up. So on one hand, we have all of these officials over here in the United States and the recovery and reopening and this, that, and the other. Yet on the other side of the world, we got all these resurgence and new variances. For instance, India. Their whole economy shutting down. Poland, they've got some massive surge coming up. And at the same time, we're hearing over here from all the pundits on the mainstream, everything's reopening, airlines, cruise lines, this, that, the other. And I personally believe this is an instance of mass confusion to keep everybody confused. Nobody knows what's going on. Market doesn't know which way to go. That's just the way I see it, because none of this makes any sense. What they're saying and what I'm seeing just doesn't add up. It doesn't. It's too many weird things going on in terms of that and the virus and whatnot. Anyways, okay. Oil prices have actually come down about 2%, despite the fact that ship is still stuck in the Suez canal. They're saying it's not even going to be until, I want to say like Sunday before they might even have an idea of when it might be out. Yeah, at best. Let me just double check that. Sunday or Monday at best. So for me, I don't think that's a really long-term event. And I had mentioned yesterday making a move on oil and gas. And I as I was saying it, realizing that's not a smart move. Because once they move this vessel, everything just moves right along. So just like any other oil and gas play, being as volatile as it is, this kind of almost reminds me of, last summer, I guess, when oil went negative, and then shot right back up. So it seems like one of those types of deals for me. AstraZeneca, dude, if they make the anybody that knows what this hand sign and reading my lips, yeah, even if they try to make that mandatory, I'm telling you what, at least let me choose the brand, okay? I don't want AstraZeneca. Okay, every day these people are coming out with some sort of either oh, it's great. Oh, it sucks. Oh, it's great. Oh, it'll kill you. Oh, you know what I mean? Like, no. I'll at least take, I don't know, maybe the J&J, maybe the Moderna. I don't know. I don't want the Pfizer. I don't want that though. I don't want the AstraZeneca. You know, I don't want any of them. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm very excited for it. I can't wait to get the jab in the arm. Okay, I'm very excited. I think it's going to be great. Yeah. I mean, why would I just want to continue just wearing a face mask and social distancing and washing my hands a lot? Why? I mean, that's not good enough anymore. Now I need to take a V that hasn't been tested at all from any of these companies, despite what the mainstream news might tell you. But anyways, okay, so there's that. Our bonds are actually, dude, they're holding steady. They're actually down a little bit. We're looking at like 161, which is great. I mean, that's phenomenal. That's what I want to see. Although the dollar is up ever so slightly, which is fine. 10 years coming down, dollar's kind of holding steady. Okay, considering how it's been the last few weeks, give me a little bit of stability, and I'm a happy man. Anyways, all right. So the VIX is flat, which I wish it was kind of in the negative. Give me a little bit of a better barometer of what's happening. Pre-market, the S&P's still taking a little bit of a dip. It looked like it wanted to rise up a little bit pre-market. Now it's just kind of dripping down a little bit further, which is not really that great for me at all. So there leaves that. Earnings, I don't know. There's some earnings coming up. I really didn't even look. I know Colgate. We've got Colgate before the market. Durden, the restaurant group, is coming out. Sorry, I should have. Yeah. Yeah. So Colgate and Durden, they're going to drop their earnings before the market. Again, if you own them, don't own them, interested in them, there you go. Pay attention. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much all we've got. Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin, all right, look, it bottomed out yesterday at around like 51,000. And since today, so far, early morning trading, it's crept back up, kind of, sort of, it's creeping up. Bitcoin's volatile, cryptocurrencies are volatile. It just doesn't make me like really enthused when I look at my portfolio, my cryptos, and just see it down the way it is. But then I have to remind myself, I also just made a ton of money off of it last week or the week before. So, okay. And my purchases I've been making this week, they've been okay, considering the low prices, the drop that cryptocurrencies have taken. So all I can say is I'm excited to see it go back up, because that'll make me feel better about things. China's still a little bit pissed off at us because of our new sanctions, and they're boycotting a bunch of our products. So I don't know. I find that to be a little weird, considering most of our products are made there. But yeah, so there's that. I don't know how much of a difference that's going to make in terms of share prices of a lot of these retailers that they're basically telling their people to ban. Although I don't think that's going to necessarily have an effect on our markets directly, like today, like right away. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much all I have for this morning, other than my coffee and my happy smile. Anyways, so guys, enjoy your morning, enjoy your coffee, And as always, I will keep you up to date as news comes out throughout the day. And please subscribe if you're not already. Anyways, guys, talk to you later.